struggle. My thoughts, my hustle. Yeah. Suspect the truth, unseen, increase the levels of the boom. I'ma just you up, assume among clouds of blue fumes. Make love to Medusa under shadows of moon. My seeds must spread soon to lick the blood off my wounds. Cry epics out the room to let my glory unfold. For every deep breath I take, another story is told. Bear a soul severe, God worth the Solomon's gold. Blaze a torch of victory in the Siberian cold. Deep lost, I was sold in solemn words we cried for those who start loving on the day that they died. As the coffin hit the earth, we all buried the bride against the spirit of fate. On the backhand side, a few places to hide. Silhouettes of the dark, long miles to walk. Among the blows of the hawk, I recall born kings and majestic landmarks. Where the bill was supreme beings on edges of the ark. Y'all know my heart pumps pain in its veins. Y'all know the mental burdens to maintain. Examine my breed stain, left solely in the rain. With me and treasures to lose and oblivion to gain. I keep my malice in chain, nurture it till it's released. For the fate shall remain through the valleys of the beast. Rise at the dawn of light, send prayers to the east. Who dares to disobey the dubious words of peace? I'm in my own world. Yeah. I'm in my own world. My fate, my struggle, my ideology, thoughts, my hustle. I'm in my own world. I'm in my own world. My fate, my struggle, my ideology, thoughts, my hustle. I leave the spoken legacies unheard, since the meek shall receive what they always deserve. Gather for the last supper back out of native curves. The songs of despair, humming the words most preferred and blurred. Recollections of soft angelic pictures. Closed the eyes and images became richer. Every thought's highly divine and subject to holy scriptures. Throughout these pandemoniums, the soul victors in this deep world of blackness and faded antique sin. From strange forbidden fruits to roots and bodies of hint. In wars ever so hard, some of us might win. But then again, they probably never end. A pen of godly morals cross the swords of grief. These alleys of Armageddon constantly spelled belief. They call me God's type of divine of the soul, the apt thief. Yeah, of your soul, the apt thief. I'm in my own world. Yeah, I'm in my own world. My fate, my struggle, my ideology, thoughts, my hustle. I'm in my own world. I'm in my own world. My fate, my struggle, my ideology, thoughts, my hustle. I'm in my own world. I'm in my own world. I'm in my own world. My struggle, my ideology, thoughts, my hustle. I'm in my own world. Rasulullah.
It's a classic case of mistaken identity.